As you probably know, Fluke offers a wide range of digital multimeters, each built for the work professionals do every day. In this video, we'll walk through the lineup so you can find the right meter for the job. Hi, I'm Sean, Product Applications Specialist at Fluke. Every Fluke meter is independently tested for safety, durability, and accuracy, built to meet our rigorous reliability standards for professional use. The differences aren't about build quality, they're about capability, features, and the kind of work each tool is designed for. The Fluke handheld DMM lineup can be grouped into 5 families, each tuned for a distinct type of work. The Essential Measurement family provides dependable accuracy at an approachable price. Meters like the Fluke 106, 15B+, and 17B+, cover voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, and continuity with the same Fluke reliability found across the lineup. These are average responding meters, ideal for standard sine wave signals and everyday electrical work. They're a great choice for early career technicians, apprentices, or anyone who needs trusted performance without advanced diagnostic features. For technicians who need more than the basics, Fluke offers our service and maintenance meters, the 114, 115, and 117. They provide true RMS accuracy for more complex or noisy signals. The Fluke 114 is perfect for common electrical measurements like voltage, resistance, and continuity. It also features AutoVolt and low Z mode to eliminate ghost voltages. The Fluke 115 is a versatile, full-featured general-purpose meter that adds AC/DC amps, capacitance, diode testing, and frequency, ideal for field service applications where versatility matters. And the Fluke 117 is the most capable of the lineup, combining all the features of the 114 and 115 plus VoltAlert non-contact voltage detection for quick go-no-go safety checks. When the job demands higher energy ratings, more precision, or greater durability, Fluke industrial troubleshooting meters are the professional standard. Across the lineup, you'll find Cat 4 600 volt and Cat 3 1000 volt safety ratings, along with rugged housings designed for any work environment. Next, let's look at how these models differ. The Fluke 175, 177, and 179 combine a smaller ergonomic form factor with proven accuracy and speed for daily maintenance and diagnostics. The Fluke 87.5 and 87.5 Max add higher resolution and duty cycle measurement. They also include min-max, peak capture, and low-pass filter for accurate VFD readings. The 87.5 Max extends ruggedness further, IP67 rated and 4-meter drop tested for the toughest field conditions. Similar to the 87.5 Max, the 28.2 is IP67 rated and adds MSHA certification to achieve compliance for harsh mining environments. For legacy applications where average responding measurements are required, the 27.2, 77.4, and 83.5 continue to be offered. When troubleshooting requires not just precision, but deep insight, the Fluke Advanced Analysis meters deliver. The 287 and 289 provide the highest accuracy and resolution in the Fluke handheld tools lineup. Both feature TrendCapture for on-meter graphing, 50,000 count displays, and logging for long-term analysis. The 289 adds low ohms mode, low Z voltage, low pass filter for VFDs, temperature measurement, and expanded logging memory for up to 15,000 events for even more advanced testing. Fluke Special Applications meters serve specific industries and unique environments. The Fluke 113 utility meter with V-Check low impedance mode is designed to make utility meter testing faster, easier, and safer. The Fluke 116 is tailored for HVAC technicians with temperature and microamps functions for flame sensor testing. The Fluke 88.5 is purpose-built for automotive diagnostics and RPM measurement. The Fluke 283FC is optimized for solar and high-voltage DC systems, featuring a Cat 4 1000 volt and Cat 3 1500 volt safety ratings. It also includes a wireless current clamp accessory for more efficient testing, perfect for photovoltaic installations and large DC arrays. The Fluke 28.2EX adds intrinsic safety certifications for hazardous and explosive environments. The Fluke 3000FC works with the Fluke Connect platform, making it easy to monitor multiple points and share data in real time. It pairs with the V3000FC AC voltage module and the A3000FC AC current module, so you can take several measurements at once, all from a safe distance. No matter which Fluke meter is used, the same foundation of accuracy, safety, and durability apply. Every Fluke meter comes with a solid warranty for your peace of mind, and for customers who need ongoing accuracy assurance, Fluke offers professional calibration and repair services to keep meters performing at their best. Because in this work, precision isn't optional, and with Fluke, every measurement counts.